Hello, I'm Dr. Larry Goldstein, Chief Technology Officer for Honeywell Sensing and Control, one of the world's leading suppliers of sensors and switches for OEM applications in the medical, industrial, transportation, aerospace, and test and measurement businesses. Today I'm here to show you our SMART Postion Sensor. Why is it SMART? SMART means that this is a sensor that can essentially think for itself. It has the ability to self-calibrate because it uses a patented combination of an ASIC and an array of magnetoresistive sensors to determine the position of a magnet attached to a moving object. This allows it to accurately and reliably calculate positioning information in many aerospace, industrial, medical, and transportation applications. Honeywell offers three configurations of the SMART Postion Sensor. The rotary configuration senses the position of a magnet relative to the sensor from 0 to 360 degrees, a complete circle. The linear configuration senses the position of a magnet relative to the sensor from 0 to 200 millimeters. And finally, the arc configuration senses the position of a magnet relative to the sensor from 0 to 100 degrees. Why are these products important? Let me show you. Here you see a photo of a backhoe working on an incline with its boom arm extended. A method is needed to determine the angular position of the boom arm to help prevent the backhoe from tipping over. The SMART Postion Sensor is built into the boom arm, providing position information to the backhoe operator. This information aids in the prevention of tipping and enhances safety and productivity. The arc, rotary, and linear configurations may be used in a variety of potential applications, like monitoring ram door position in aircraft to control airflow into the engine compartment, precisely opening and closing valves in a bottling machine as the container is filled, monitoring elevator position relative to each floor, improving alignment and reducing safety hazards, monitoring equipment position to optimize water quantity in irrigation equipment, providing accurate forklift position information regarding tilt and lift, improving efficiency and safety, monitoring valve position to optimize flow and process or flow control valve applications. We've seen examples of where the SMART Postion Sensor might be used, but how does it work? As I mentioned, the SMART Postion Sensor uses Honeywell ASIC technology and an array of MR sensors to determine the position of a magnet attached to a moving object. The sensor measures the output of the MR bridges mounted along the magnet's direction of travel. The ASIC then uses an algorithm to calculate the position of the magnet based on the output of these MR bridges. This animation demonstrates the position of the magnet relative to the arc. The moving black item is the magnet, and the blue circles around the magnet represent the magnetic flux exiting the magnet and how it intersects the MR bridges. Each black box along the perimeter of the arc represents an MR sensor. Honeywell's sensor technology can be configured in a variety of shapes for use in a wide range of potential applications. Now let me show you what's inside the SMART Postion Sensor. This is the SMART Postion Sensor's PC board assembly for the arc configuration. These are the MR bridges whose outputs go to the custom ASIC, which does the calibration to determine the magnet position. The ASIC is connected to the CAN bus circuit, which provides a desired output. In addition, components are on both sides of the board, providing built-in redundancy. How does Honeywell's SMART Postion Sensor stack up against the competition? Positively, for several reasons. Using the backhoe example, the SMART Postion Sensor improves operational efficiency by up to 20% due to the ability to accurately locate the boom, allowing the arm to arrive at the desired position faster. The SMART Postion Sensor array's built-in redundancy provides additional safety benefits. Our simple, non-contact design reduces wear and tear, improving reliability and durability and minimizing downtime. Our easy-to-configure sensor array fits virtually any movement path, simplifying design in. One of our sensors typically replaces multiple sensor and switch components that competitive solutions often require, eliminating extra wiring, connections, and external components. Finally, you can install our sensor in 4 simple steps versus up to 14 steps that some of our competitors' products require. What else is compelling about our SMART Postion Sensor? Since there are no moving parts within the sensing element, we can seal the sensor, making it more resistant to vibration, shock, and extreme temperatures. It has electronics on board, making it easily adaptable to most commercial platforms, eliminating the need for additional external electronics. Since it offers stable, temperature-compensated output, you don't need to expend engineering resources to build your own output algorithms. Due to its non-contacting design, it doesn't wear out due to mechanical friction. So what are the most important things you should remember about the SMART Postion Sensor? It improves safety. It reduces total cost of ownership. It is easily adaptable, and it thinks for itself. Please contact us for more information about Honeywell's SMART Postion Sensor and to learn more about potential applications in which it might be used. Thank you.